Hey guys, welcome to Toxin. Today we are here to take a look at the Paranoid Android ROM for the Redmi 4X. So without any further ado, let's head on to the video. Before heading on to the installation process, make sure that the Redmi 4X you are using is unlocked and has TWRP installed in it. To install the custom ROM, you need to boot into the TWRP recovery. So in order to do that, we have to press the power button, volume up button and the volume down button all together. So as you can see, we are on the TWRP screen. Now simply go to wipe, then select advanced wipe and then select everything except microSD and USB OTG. After you have done with the selection process, just swipe to wipe. Then hit back. In my case, I have all the needed files on the USB OTG, so I'll be using a pen drive and a OTG. So let me connect that. Now head on to install, then select storage. Then I have to choose USB OTG, then click on OK. I have the ROM file and the GAPS package in here, so I'm going to select Paranoid Android ROM and then swipe to confirm flash.
A few moments later.
Now we are done with the flashing process. We just need to go back and select the GAPS package. In this process I'm using the Open GAPS Pico package. So swipe to confirm flash.
A few moments later.
So we are now done with the installation process. We just need to reboot system. So now click on do not install. Thanks for watching our video. Like our video, share our video, and if you have any queries then please comment them down. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon alongside it. So we will catch you up in our next video. Thank you, have a great day.